1997 Western Star 4964 EX, 3406 cat engine, 9-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. $11 24.5s all the way around. Headache rack. Dual pipes. Dual line wet kit. Spring suspension in the rear. 433 gear ratio in the rear end. £12,000 front axle, 22,500 pound rears. Come check this truck out here at Southern Equipment Sales in Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southern equipment llc.com. We thank you for watching our video.